Well, this episode of Large Person Wanderings, we are here out at the Colorado Railroad Museum again, and I'm actually getting involved in a very unique project of trying to model the Pikes Peak Cog Railway, and we're going to be taking a look at the steam engines they ran, and we'll be walking around and taking a nice exhibit of all the photos of the ins and outs of one of these things.
Where the number one is actually where they put water for the steam engine to boil.
So as everybody can see at home, steam engine's very unique because the boiler goes straight while the engine's at a tilt. This is to go up the very steep grades that are on the route itself, which can be as much as 26%. If everybody can see this at home, that big gear looking thing down there is how it actually grabs onto the rack, which helps pull the engine right on up the track. That's what's called a cog system. So how are we doing today, babe? Good. Have you ever been on one of these things before?
Here we can see the tender where they put the oil in to help boil the water for the Unlike other trains, what is also unique about this engine, you don't see that there are any couplers to couple to other rail cars. Instead, the engine would actually stand behind the rail coach and push the coaches up the side of the hill. And it would also back down with the engine out in front of the coaches. It was all hillside stuff. And here we see a view of what the engineer's side looks like in the cab.
Here we are looking at the cab. Here we are looking at the fireman's side. Here's what the firebox looks like.
Here's what the little small tender looks like. And here's what the other side of the engine looks like as well.
On the next stop, here is a retired one of the tour cars that they used to use to go up the mountain here.
Here is an older version of its twin.
You mean hot as hell? Yeah.
How odd that it doesn't have two wheels together or trucks, but it has singular wheels, which is kind of interesting. Here's what the control stand looks like for it, and it's also unique that this unit has two diesel engines in it to power it.
And let's go to namby-pamby land when we blow the whistle. Yes.
Here you can see what the two diesel engines look like, and also the traction motors that come with it.
Okay. All right. So now for a sneak peek of what's coming to us in August. We're looking at the RGS 20. It's just about done being restored, and they should steam it up for the first time in many decades. That'll be quite a treat in August, so hopefully we'll see everybody out there when it comes out to play.
Thank you for joining us on another episode of Large Person Wanderings. This is kind of a different video I've made. It's just kind of a check out some new pieces of equipment. The Pikes Peak Cog Railroad, from an HO and N scale and all other scales modeling perspective, has not even been touched. Unless I'm dead wrong, please correct me if I'm wrong. If anybody's actually made any models of this pieces of equipment, I'd love to hear from you. So it's just a fun thing to check out something, so I was thinking about trying to build it in Train Simulator for models. And as always, thank you for joining me on another adventure of Large Person Wanderings. My name is Jerome Kress. Please do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. We'd love to hear from you for things to check out or ideas for videos. As always, Take care, be safe, and